Today it's with sadness that we note the passing of some treasures to our Pacific communities in New Zealand.
Yes, author and Samoan cultural and linguistic champion Tofaiono Tanuvasa Tavale died in Samoa at the end of May. Tagaloa Tele o Sone Okusene has this tribute.
He was the champion of Samoan language and culture.
He'll be sorely missed, sorely missed. It's going to take a while for our family to settle down because his death was sudden.
Although he was older, mature, when he walked in the room, people would just smile. He'd lift a room.
Tofaiono Tanuvasa Tavale was born on Samoa's south coast of Upolu in the village of Siumu in September 1935. After attending Teachers Training College, he taught at a number of schools around Samoa before becoming the Master of Samoan Language and Culture at Samoa College in the mid-70s. In the mid-80s, he came to New Zealand and continued to teach through Pacific Islands Educational Resource Centre and Ngā Tapuai College.
He was a teacher also and spent many years, probably more than 40 years, teaching from Samoa, here in New Zealand, University of Auckland.
His wealth of knowledge in things Samoan can fill many volumes, and he's committed much of that knowledge to print in the 23 books that he's penned.
I believe that he had taken a lot of time and effort and passion to just write these books on top of the work that he was doing as a board member, on top of the work he was doing as a whaiaonga, and on top of all the other work he was doing for the church, the Catholic Church, as well as all the other projects that he would be involved in.
One of those projects includes years of service as a judge for the Samoan stage at Polyfest, but another passion was empowering youth through his work with the Catholic Church.
His heart was always for the youth, in terms of getting young Catholics back to their Catholic origins, as most young people have now gone away from the mainline churches.
He led the Samoan Catholic Auckland Society, one of the biggest faith religion groups here in Auckland.
Tofaiono Tanuvasa Tavale was awarded the Queen's Service Medal, and one of his legacies has been developing leaders to carry on his life work.
I think the thing that we honour the most and respect the most about him is integrity. In terms of leadership, his integrity in terms of fundraising, in terms of passing the mantle.
Tofaiono Tanuvasa Tavale died in Samoa on the 29th of May, Manuel o Malanga.